What's up, everybody? Yeah, someone said I was late, but yeah, because I realized I didn't click the go live button on YouTube. I clicked it on my software. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Fail. Okay, so we can see that we're in like a consolidation right now. It's not really anything I'm so interested in. Let me like delete things from the other day. And it's a Monday with no news, so pretty low probability already. Okay, let's look at the daily first. We're already up 0.14%. We're up 20 handles since Friday. I don't know. We'll see what happens, but like it's okay. Just consolidating. This is like one of those instances where I don't want to get involved right now. We're in the middle of a range. So we'll see like what side, if any side, we run for at like 9:30 in 2 minutes. Forex Factory. Yeah, nothing today. Investing. Yeah, so I expect it to be a quiet day. Am I gonna be live trading every day? Yeah, probably. Because like if I'm gonna be at the charts anyway, might as well. I hope, yeah, I don't swear. You guys can keep me accountable. I just said I don't swear. Nothing to get involved in here. Wow, there were like 200 people waiting for the live I saw, and now it says 500 people are watching already. That's so cool. I don't think I can get used to this, honestly. I don't know. That's wild. I didn't even post on Twitter like I posted last night, but I didn't say anything today. Let me do that now. It's 9:30. Someone always hears my name. That's cool. Tanya rhymes with lasagna. Okay. So it's 9:30. Nothing really. London lows are here. We have some lows here as well. Okay, we're hitting overnight highs. I typically like I don't trade the first 15 minutes. But like, I mean, still nothing really. YM is weaker than everything else. It's not at the highs yet. ES is a little stronger than NQ. It didn't really take out like even one low before it popped up. Still an inside day. Okay. Hello from Brazil. Hello. Tanya, are you Russian? No, I'm Croatian. But I'm born and raised in Queens, New York, so I'm American as well. Croatian American. Consolidation, yeah. Someone asked for my email. It's like in the YouTube. If you go to like my about, it's Tanya@tanyatrades.com. Hi from Romania, and someone's craving lasagna. That's funny. I'm looking at DXY right now. DXY daily. We have like a fair value gap and a volume imbalance here. We haven't even tapped into that yet, so like I would preferably for higher prices see something like this and you know, we're not even there yet. But yeah. So this like move up, I don't really care about particularly. Just, it's still in the 1 minute, it's just doing nothing. See if it hits Friday's high or not. That would be cool, because then it wouldn't even be an outside day. I mean, it wouldn't even be an inside day anymore. Okay. Hi from Long Island. Cool, cool, cool. Long Island. I like the beaches there. I go to the beach out there. Hi from Dubai. Okay. Buy and go to sleep. That's funny. My model, I have, I just posted like last week my a video on how I trade. Hi from Italy, buongiorno. Hi from Paris, France. Bonjour. Hi from Sweden. I don't know Swedish, so that one. Allo du coup. Hi from Jersey. Okay, okay, okay. New Jersey. Greetings from Morocco. Everyone like loves to tell me that my name is like a city in Morocco. Which is cool. Yeah, I don't see anything either. Like, people are my FOMO into trying to buy this for Friday high, but I can see it failing here and just having an inside day on the day. Like there's no shift or anything. So we're good, we're Gucci. Don't press the button for no reason. Hi from Somalia. Cool, cool. India. Hi. India's so cool. I like watching like YouTube videos of like people like trying Indian food, like street food. It's so fun. Yo from London, England. Pip pip cheerio. Chicago. Wow, we got a lot of people here. 515. We're killing it. Oh, the model in the bottom right. Oh, me. Oh, that's so sweet. You guys are so smooth. Too smooth for me. All right, I'm gonna make sure I put an alert Friday high. Wow, do you guys see that? TradingView is telling me alerts maintenance. We're doing some brief daily maintenance. Is that not a sign? Alerts will be back really soon. Thanks for your patience. We should like at them on Twitter. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah. I don't know, then I'll just have to pay attention, I guess. Let me look at ES as well. I think on Friday, yeah, NQ took Thursday's high and ES did not. Like it made an inside day, so. Like ES might take Friday high. And NQ might not. So we might have an SMT there. So we'll see. So we'll see. Maybe like ES takes out Friday high and NQ doesn't, and then we have a little bit of a reversal to London lows or something. I don't know. Like typically Monday sets the range. Accumulation. Let me get a live stream tomorrow. Yeah, because like if I'm gonna be at the charts, I might as well just live stream. Hi from Kenya. Wow. I'm 25. Someone asked how old I am. What up, homie? What's up, Flatwood Funk? Someone said they're 15. Wow. I wish I learned how to trade when I was 15. Yeah, I look at opening range gaps, but like, nothing to do right now. How old is everyone in the chat? Put your age in the chat then if you guys ask me my age. Now it's time for you. Let's have a little back and forth. Very, very large range of people. Very cool. Yeah, we pretty much filled the gap. But like if we're coming down, I would definitely think we're going to like London low or something. Not really clean action. Paul Man Trader, thank you. Again, like I said, like DXY is also ranging. I don't really see anything right now. Pretty ugly. Hands off the mouse for me. I trade very different than Patrick. Why watch his if your style is complete 180 and he hates ICT? Well, I started watching his stream because I was just interested to see how he trades and to sort of see the other like mentality of other traders, like psychologically, because you have to think about there are different players in the market, right? So there's the breakout traders, there's the momentum traders, and then there's the support and resistance traders. There's the buy the dip traders. So just knowing more about that psychology and understanding where they get into the market is helpful. So you understand the different players in the market. And then also, there were a few days where I was like pretty confident in my bias and my moves, and I just like felt like, because like most times it's distracting for me to listen to other people. I don't even listen to music or anything, but like on other days I was like pretty confident, so I was like, you know, let me listen. And then also like I would type some plays out in the chat, and like a couple of the plays hit pretty well. Like I called out I think like an 100-point NQ dump one time, and then a couple of times like the low of the day, and then from that like he promoted me to moderator, which is really cool, and that's how some people know me here. So I appreciate Patrick for like providing me support. Honestly, like he only talked nicely about me, and he was pretty kind to me, and he still is. So that's why. But like in the last couple weeks, like, you know, like I said, like I don't really, I get kind of distracted easily. So when it was like consolidation conditions, that's when I was like, okay, yeah, let me like back off and try to stay more focused. Aiming for your stop loss. Oh, James FX, you're so funny. A little troll. We got a little troll here. Because I'm not even in any trade right now. Yeah, Patrick is pretty entertaining. He's funny. You can't lie, like, even like if he if he wins or if he loses, you're probably gonna have a good time. Like you're probably gonna laugh at something. Yeah, I'm a prop firm trader. I trade with Top Step. I think looking at EX, YM, DXY. You know, look at this. This is ugly action. Just wicking, slowly retracing, not really doing anything here. It would be interesting to see if like ES hits the Friday high. And then like maybe we have a reversal, but nothing, still nothing. So like you can expect that today we could just be consolidating, especially there's like a few factors, right? It's the week before Christmas, so there's already like lower participation in the markets, or some people that took holiday vacation. And then it's Monday, and it's a Monday with no news. So really, if I don't take, I might not take a trade this morning, maybe I will. It's also pretty early, it's like 9:48. I typically like to take my trades after 10. Like these like little moves on the bodies, like it's definitely enticing people. Not really, I don't really care about any of that, honestly. Let's look at ES right now, right? We're up 0.16% on both indices right now. Oh, I know, we're up 0.36% on ES. We're just back in the range for NASDAQ, you know? Now let's look at, is FinViz updated? Yeah. Like another thing I like to look at is I go on FinViz, just go to finviz.com. Why isn't it letting me bring it up here? Right, I go to just finviz.com. This is the first page, and I click on the little map. It shows you the market, and it's all like divided by how big the market cap is related to the entire market. So the bigger it is, like the larger percentage or proportion it is. So Apple is bigger than Tesla. And I just look at like, you know, what's green and what's red. If anything's like particularly bright green, like then it would show like these here, energy. So probably oil is moving today. And then like, let's say if Tesla could be like bright green that day, 4%. And like, let's say ES is moving down and NASDAQ is like, not and stronger, then I'd look and be like, okay, it makes sense because Tesla is up a lot. So something I look at. So from this, I just see it's kind of like a mixed day. Not really interesting. What color background is on my trading view? Let me see. It's kind of slow today, so I will look for you. Settings. I honestly don't even, okay, here. No, that's my, I don't know how to find it, honestly. Let's see. Oh, here it is, canvas. It's this gray, like the one to the right of the white. Someone says micro peen gang in the chat. Cool, cool, cool. I mean, that's Cami Capital's crew. That's what he calls his community. I'm not quite into that. I don't know, like, I'm not part of that inside joke, but that's funny. I know of it. Cool. Hi. Someone's from Cami's channel. What's up? What's up? I like Cami. He's like pretty, he's quite transparent. what I've seen of him. Oil did move up 3.5%, yeah. So like if I don't really trade oil, but like what I've seen is like when the indices are very slow, oil tends to be moving more. What's up, Steve? He's short NQ from 65. He swept London high. I'm just not, because I don't really see like a clean structure break for me to get in. And ES is a little stronger. I just see it consolidating. And yeah, we're in an inside day. Am I going to start live streaming every day now? It depends. Like, what do the people want? I think I really enjoyed Friday. Like, we'll see if I enjoy today, which I am. So, like, let's put a poll up. Should I start streaming every day? I think today's, like, high resistance liquidity run conditions, which is, like, consolidation. Yeah. Okay. Nothing yet. Dodgy is trolling. Such a troll. But it's funny, though. I like it. Biggest troll on FinTwit. Actually, I don't know who is more of a troll, Dodgy or Patrick. It's a competition right there. The number one troll on YouTube. ICT Gulag is in the chat. Yeah, I'm funded on Top Step. Yeah, Jake, I know you're trolling too. Jake came in and said, like, your stop loss is my entry or something, or I don't know, or my take profit, something like that. I used to like, I kind of unbothered pretty much because my dad is like the biggest troll. So I have good experience in that department. So not really much bothers me. How come the Russian name? It's a Croatian name as well. My parents are both from Croatia. They came here in the late 80s, and they met in New York City. So it's kind of cool. They're from like different areas in Croatia, so they wouldn't have met there. Yeah. And then I was born here in Queens, New York, along with my siblings. Yeah, so cool. Again, NQ. We're still in a range. We're literally in the range still in like the opening range from 9:30 to 9:45. Now ES is like lagging. Kind of weird. Just kind of weird action because like ES was stronger earlier when NQ wasn't. I'm just looking at the 15. If you look at the 15, you're less likely to get trapped on a lower time frame. Like, just wait for like a 15-minute purge, which it did here, but like when I was looking at the one, there was no like break of a low with a fair value gap for me to get involved, so I didn't. Macedonian, hello. Dobro jutro. Watching from Barbados. That's cool. Ona je Hrvatica. Yes. Yes. Yesam. I heard Uncle ICT is in the chat. Well, I haven't seen him. Forest Hills. I like that neighborhood. I like 108th Street in Forest Hills. Good food there. Uzbekistani place is pretty good. I like the Russian deli on 108th Street. I think it's called like Gastronome. Like I can understand like half of Russian. One of my best friends in college, she's like half Russian, half Ukrainian, and when she spoke to her mom on the phone, I could tell like pretty much get the gist of what she's talking about. Like, yeah, we ate dinner. Yeah, Tanya's here, you know. My camera's lagging. It's okay. I don't know. I don't know how to fix that right now. Yeah, I don't use Bookmap though. Market moves, book and price action, not fishing, trashing people, or yogurt and eggs and car racing. I don't know what the heck is the yogurt and eggs. I saw that. I'm not gonna try that. Fresh Meadows. Woo, I like that, the park over there. I mean, guys, there's nothing to do. Maybe it goes for a Friday high. Now ES is just lagging. I'm watching ES also in YM. Sometimes the best thing to do is to do nothing. YM is weaker. So like this is kind of like all the recipe for like high resistance liquidity run, which means like it takes a long time and it takes out stops and consolidation on the way to liquidity, the target, which is I see YM and ES are not really correlating. So I'm not going to touch anything. Okay, yeah, I think I have the low latency on though, and it says excellent connection. Let me see. Oh, it says normal latency. Oh, I don't think I can like change it now, cause like it's grayed out. Oh well, next time. Let me like Google that real quick. Can I change latency while live? YouTube. The setting cannot be changed once streaming begins. Okay. Well, I'll remember for tomorrow, sorry. What was my major in college? Biomedical engineering. That was really, really tough major, but I made it out. Made a lot of friends. When you're in like a tough major, you make a lot of friends because you're all suffering together. Lifelong friends. Pops Friday high and then tanks to today's open. We'll see. I mean, it looks like it's really taking its time. Like, I think it doesn't even get to Friday's high. It's probably gonna like trick people, get close to it, then not even get there. I mean, we'll see. If it like takes Friday's high and then, you know, gives me a reversal entry, then I'll try it. I gotta pay attention because like TradingView, like we said, the alerts are not working, weirdly enough. Like they're doing maintenance. Okay, we got 93% said yes to trade live every day. Okay, I'll give the people what they want. The only thing I noticed from Friday, honestly, I called the market pretty well on Friday. The only thing I noticed was like I did get a little bit too distracted while I was trying to look for an entry. And then I did get a little bit second guessing, but it's just gonna be an adjustment. My favorite reversal pattern? I have a video on that. I like breakers. Okay, we hit Friday's high. Now let's see if anything good happens. Oh, okay, so this alert and ES is hitting Friday high. How many minutes left in this 15-minute candle? 12 minutes. Okay. We'll see if it like closes above Friday's high with a fair value gap or if it starts like just reversing. So far, no sign of reversal. This is a short-term low. We'll see if it breaks that. Yeah, yeah, if NASDAQ is going for all-time highs, like I'm generally bullish on for the rest of the year. But like the thing is it didn't give me any entry to get long, so what could happen is it just like does another deep retracement to go higher. CES. Like you see like the low is like so far away on like the 1 minute, the short-term low. It's like 30 points away, so it's not, like the structure is not really like that good for today. How'd I say? It's not doing us any favors. No, it worked for me. Let me see now. Yeah, no, if I set a new one, it doesn't work, but my old ones work. It just says that we're doing maintenance. Okay, we're above Friday's high. Yeah, nothing for me to do right now. No, I stick to ICT. Someone told me that like, why do I watch Patrick? Because like I don't really use his strategy. Just for entertainment, and then like I said, like understanding other points of view. Do you think it's gonna go to weekly fair value gap? Let me put in like the continuous. Oops. NQ1. Yeah, I mean, let's draw that out. Yeah, it's very possible it gets there. Yeah, I do actually do look at DR a little bit. I look at like where the which actually, thanks for reminding me. Like we are yeah, it looks like we're bullish on the day. I look at if the actually no, wait, it's 10 a.m. Yeah, so we like closed above 10 a.m. prices. It looks like we're gonna keep going up. So I'm not really interested in so many reversals. Bounced on Friday's high. So like what I would probably do is like look for opposing liquidity run, like some kind of liquidity run to go higher. We're 40 points away from that weekly. Is it lined up with that? Okay, maybe I should like look at just continuous contract for right now. As long as we hold above Friday's high, we're gonna go higher and hold structure. Let me see YM. My only thing is like DXY is literally doing nothing. So I don't really have huge expectations today. If we, like what I look at also is like, if we, like you see the 15-minute, we're gonna close above Friday's high. That would be quite bullish. And are we gonna make a 15-minute fair value gap? Possible. All right, since there's like time left in this candle, 5 minutes, I'm gonna go grab some water. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Cool. Good thing I waited for that 15-minute candle to close. It's not really closing well. Okay. Let's wait. DXY is pushing up towards that fair value gap on the daily. This was a short-term low. It did close below it. I think I'm gonna try a short. Yeah, I'm gonna just get in right now because it was validated on the 32nd. Stop at 97.75. That's a reminder for me to like mental game check in. Okay. Reach into this higher one. Let's see what happens. All right, probably gonna get stopped down a second. We'll see. In my opinion, though, I don't think it should have come back to this one at all, really. DXY now decides to literally just drop. Oh well. It'd be good to take a loss on live. Pretty much like 76. Yeah, I got a bad fill too. Oh well, it dug in. Okay, so it dug into this. That makes sense. But we'll see. My stop is here. I don't really like. We'll see if we close above this. Then I'll just like cut it prematurely. And it's back above Friday's high. Yeah. Totally fine though. The 15-minute was looking so pretty bad, so. Okay, stopped. It's fine. Reaching for higher prices. Now let's see. Yes, that was SMT. Maybe I shouldn't have gotten into a trade right after I sat down. That's like my kryptonite. Trying to think for a second. If we are reaching for that, just the leg that broke the high. Like, how much should we even retrace to there? 50%, yeah. Yes, it's not making a new high. Oh, well. Let's see the chat. Okay, 5-minute made you not take it. That makes sense. I kind of was just looking at 15. 9, yeah. It looks like we're going there. But like, this is my thing right now. Yes, it's making an SMT. Which is fine. That could take like a few more minutes and then it won't be. We went to 50% of this. Like, we could literally dig in again and like break this low because it's like pretty high resistance liquidity run, right? Where's 930 here? Yeah, we can break this low, purge it before going up there. I don't know. Look at the daily. We're up 0.45% on the day. I'm watching ES. I'm not gonna short this because there's no like short-term low or anything, so it's fine if I miss that. But if we like, you might just like, you know, do something like this. Looking at DXY. SMT, you know, small purge. Nice nails, bro. Thank you. $915 people. We almost have 1,000 people watching. That's so cool. I can't, like, how do people stream? I don't know. Let me write that down. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, yeah, I'm expecting accumulation too today. need a better pen than this. I'm like writing down a little plan. Now watching how NQ will react to M15 short-term low. Yeah, I'm not longing right here because of those S&Ts. It doesn't make sense for me to do that. Like, pretty trash action. Who took it? Did you guys take a trade? Are you red or green on the day? Let me put a little poll in. Okay, yeah, I should. Okay, and chat voted 91%. Cray cray. Yeah, I understand a little Spanish too. You guys, I took Spanish for 4 years or 5 years. But like the thing is, I don't really have people to talk with to practice. And then my high school also made us choose an ancient language to study for 2 years. So your choice was ancient Greek or ancient Latin. So most of us took ancient Latin, including me. There's, you know, ancient Greek's a whole new alphabet, but also ancient Latin has like a lot of uses, like the roots and stuff like that. That was fun. But like we didn't really, you know, it's a dead language, so we didn't speak it. What we would do a lot is translate old myths. So like Perseus, all the good ones. Okay, all right. Oh my god, ES looks gross too. And DXY is gross. Everything looks kind of gross, honestly. It's like, you know, if we're going for that, like, did we do any like liquidity sweep? No, we're just sort of like, I remember this is like where I was short and we paused here, right? So, listen, London Low didn't take out anything. Anyway. Yeah, I look at TradingView for like reading price action, and I use the RR tool, and then on NinjaTrader I just press the buttons and manage the trade. We're holding above Friday high. Talk in Spanish. Yo hablo español un poco, pero no tengo amigas que hablan español conmigo. Let's have some water. I'm looking at the continuous now, yeah. Yeah, I think this is where we're going to. This is the weekly fair value gap. Okay, ES is picking up. Okay, ES is now the high of its day. No tengo amigos que hablan español también. Wow, thank you for buen acento gringa, right? Yes, soy una gringa. Did I get a pen on my face right now? Did I? No, right? Okay. Someone is telling me how to put my hair up. Someone's like literally requesting. No, not even requesting. They're like commanding me, put your hair up in a twisted bun. Not even giving me like a donation or something. Why don't you see it on NQ? Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. You have it adjusted. I always have it be DGA and set adjusted. And this is what it is here. And the reason why I'm not long is, again, there is no liquidity purge. So there's no reason for me to be long right now. It's just not in my model to do that. So like literally at any time you can just like and I'm thinking like, again, here it would be like a deep retracement. Since we are in like a pretty high resistance. Someone's asked me, do you think we're gonna go there or reverse? It doesn't really matter what I think, because just have to wait to see how the market lends its hand. Right now it's not really. Even if you're in a long, like what do you know, hasn't moved that much. And it's like hard to hold a long in this. I'm not in anything right now. I tried to short earlier, it got stopped. Good day, everyone. On NQ, the levels. Yeah, I'll write them out. $9.39. Oh my god, sorry. I touched my mic for a second. Look at that DXY. right? I am bullish for the rest of the week. But like, I'm thinking, you know, for this, or at least like above, you know, Friday's high to go lower for DXY, and then like indices to pick up from there. Otherwise, like, look at the 15 on DXY, right? Like, we didn't make any bearish structure, just consolidating. Tough conditions, honestly. Maybe in the afternoon. Good morning. How many contracts do you trade? Typically like 2, but like since I just started live streaming, I've been taking like 1. You know, because I don't know how I'm gonna react. I'm not really nervous, which is good, but like the one thing is probably like just distraction and impulsivity. So I just need to see like how I trade on live first. So I appreciate everyone's patience. Someone told me that someone else who went live was like, who goes live, he was like, I think he was on Top Step TV, if you guys like watch that. His name was Carson, and he told me that like when you go live, you might like take less trades and like have more criteria, which is like kind of what's been happening, which is a good thing though, because like I said, my issue is getting into too many trades. So if that's, then if we overcorrect the other way, then that's good for me. And then I think I watched Cami Capital's last videos, really good, and he was talking about that as well, I think, where like he was feeling dodgy to put on the risk on some trades where he probably would take the trade in the past. One second. Yeah, SMT there. I mean, I think it just goes down here. Good morning, Judd. Patience. Tanya, can you please talk about trading psychology? There's a lot to talk about in that topic. Do you have anything specific? Yeah, I do utilize the 6 a.m., the captain back test, the 6 a.m., 10 a.m., but like I said, like the conditions aren't really there for it right now. Let's see it come into here, and then we'll see the reaction. Yeah, we're live. We shouldn't talk psych. I mean, yeah. I mean, I'm not in a trade right now, but 10:39. If I don't get in a trade by like 11, I'm probably not going to get in anything. The level is 16,939 is a weekly fair value gap. Let me ask another poll. Okay, everyone, 62% green. Okay, 38% red. I'm small red on the day. Let me, how do I end this poll? Okay, end poll. Let me do, what was it? Oh yeah. But I also stream the afternoon session, which you guys watch. Okay, yeah, so I wrote... Yeah, now I want to watch to see how it reacts to this 15-minute short-term low. It's not even a 15-minute, it's a 5-minute short-term low. But yeah, so it's a low in the fair value gap. DXY is pushing higher into its going towards its daily fair value gap. This is where it's kind of like tricky, right? When it's not correlated so much. I mean, it is going down as DXY is going up, but I mean like just like structurally, because we're still like bullish structurally, and DXY is structurally bullish right now. Yeah, you have to toggle B-ADJ. Where when I'm on the continuous, I always make sure I have B-ADJ on, and on the daily I have set on as well. Yeah, like I said, I want to see like the reaction to this low. Oh, I'm sorry. You know what? I have like a mic, like someone's like, do I have a silent keyboard option? Yeah, I have a mic stand I'll have to set up today. So like my mic is not so close to my keyboard, and I'll put like my mic in the air. How many monitors do I have? Of 4. But like I got them in 2020 when I was trading for like 6 months already at that time, and I was still trading options. So I had like a large watch list. But it's still like I'm not gonna get rid of them. So it's like pretty good now that I'm streaming, because like I have one monitor, because there was one monitor I wasn't really using, and now I use that monitor to see the chat. Does anyone else feel like price is moving so slow today? Like, is this even worth like trading? Not really. No, I can't. I'm not gonna put music on because it's too distracting. Do I have any tips on how to study? I think the Market Maker Primer series should be like first, especially for beginners, because he like ICT talks about exactly how market generally works. Okay, let's see the reaction here. Purging this. See how it closes. Let's see what it does. Yeah. 11 is London close. Okay. Oh yeah, someone says, yeah, feel free to like. Leave me a like, please. It's free to like people. Forgot to remind people. It's literally so slow, but it's good. Like, so you see, like, it purged this. I'm not really thinking that we're gonna go lower. I think we're going higher from here. Let's like wait. Could purge it again. Couldn't even come here. So I'm gonna like wait for a down closed candle to be closed above, something like that. All right, GH, you're getting banned. Because I noticed on the last video you were also trolling too much. Yeah, that person is banned now. Yeah, yeah, I have like 2 moderators right now. I don't know. It's my only first, I don't know where they are, and also it's my first week, so it makes sense. I'll have to see who in the chat like I trust to make moderator. Yeah, it's fine. It's okay. I kind of you expect it. Okay, so we purged that. Now we're pausing at this CE, but I wouldn't be surprised if we like take this again, you know what I'm saying? GXY is like moving up. It could come all the way down here. But like, I don't think I don't think we're going to the lows today. You know, I think like the low for the day is probably in. And that we have some equal highs here. So if we get like some sort of long, maybe I'll take it. Yeah, it's pausing at the CE here. But I want to like see a down close candle closed above to put some risk on, because like DXY is pushing up into the daily fair value gap right now, so it could move lower. I said NQ continuous, and this is the NQ continuous and weekly, and you put BADJ and set. I had thought of like shorting here to go just to here, but like, no point. CES. The market's moving so slow. It's probably going to be like that all week, but especially today, Monday. I'm just looking at like, what if I just did this? It would be like a 1 to 3. But I'm waiting for like a lower time frame move. So now I'm like marking out down closed candles and seeing like if we're going to close above them or not. DXY is moving up, so it makes sense that NQ is moving down. So I'm not in a rush to long or anything. It could just be a high resistance liquidity run, lower. Someone said I took that short, but it was no fun to be in. Yeah, this was like a short possibility from here, because I had thought this was gonna get taken. I think it would have been like a 1 to 1, but I was like generally okay. Let me like pay attention right now. No. Now, even if that gets closed above, I'm not going to be so interested, because it wasn't like a energetic. Will I get Thor on? If he wants to. I think like I made him moderator. Yeah, I mean if he wants to. I don't really know how streaming works yet, really, though. Yeah, I said, someone's saying check go long in 5 minutes. Yeah, I know. That's the idea here. But I'm waiting just for like a 1 minute first. I don't know. Like 5 minute would be like this, right? But like my entry would be like, it's like a 1 to 1, full lot of risk. It's like 30-point risk. 26-point risk, so I don't want to. I could come all the way here. We'll port it. ES doesn't look pretty for the long. Yeah, I know. So, and DXY is moving up, so maybe in the afternoon. That's what I'm thinking, right? Because it's like almost 11 right now. So it could be setting up for the afternoon. I think trading live could be great for trading, keeps you from doing stupid crap. That's literally why I'm doing it. To like add more criteria. Like hopefully it's less likely I'll be doing stupid things in front of people. Like how many people are watching? 862? It's crazy. 862 people and 400 likes. Leave a like. Pretty boring morning. Looking at ES 15. DXY is still moving up, but like, you know, there's no entry for me to short. Like I don't really like it. Yeah, boring is better. It like teaches you some discipline. Like my worst red days are when I just keep trying a trade, and like when I take like, you know, 7 trades on the day, and it's like, why? If you had just taken 1 or 2 and just stopped, then you would have been much better. Better off. See if we make it out of this 5-minute fair value gap or not. Yeah, you could have taken this short. No, I don't, we didn't even close below. Someone asked like the 5-minute market shift. Maybe if like this closed below, but like this candle did not close below. Probably just gonna like bleed lower, like slowly. Yes, is picking back up. Like that's my thing too. I think like this week's gonna be hard to trade. So if I like live stream it, I'm gonna have more patience. And like if I can do this week live streaming, I can do any week. It's like the week before Christmas. It's not easy. It's like lower volume in the markets, less participants generally. You know, people go on vacation, people go to Aruba. That's what people in New York go to. Can you see my notes? Can you read it? I just wrote like, oh, I tried to short, it didn't work and there's SMT. Now I'm watching how NQ will react to the 5-minute short-term low. For displaces, look for shorts. And right now it's really just consolidating here, accumulating. So not really any of the reaction I wanted, right? I wanted either close it with a displacement and a fair value gap, or I wanted like a quick, like this, but then like a move higher. So not really anything that I wanted to see. And it's 11 right now. How long have I been live for? Where do I see that? Been live for like an hour and 40. Okay. Yeah, I think now it's just really just low probability because now we're entering into the 11 o'clock London close. Yeah, moving lower here. Okay, close now below here. Moving lower to this. See what happens. This is London close. ES SMT here. Yeah, if I had just like longed on the 5 minute, like someone had suggested, I would have been just like taking heat the whole time. I think this stays intact though. Let's see if ES like does getting SMTs. Yeah, very high resistance liquidity run. Yeah, which you don't really want to be part of anyway. Yeah, I am looking for just this reaction here right now. And also, if you're right about the direction for high resistance liquidity runs, I've noticed like typically they take like deeper tracements. I ran out of water. Slow bleeding. Like you want to be part of when NQ runs like 40 points in like 3 minutes, not 40 points in like 30 minutes. Yeah. Somebody keeps suggesting that thing right now. Is someone saying that DXY is breaking lower? Not really. If you look at, I look at the 15. Still like slowly moving up. Do I just trade New York? Yeah, I'll trade like New York and AM and sometime and PM most of the time, yeah. Depending on how structure looks like. Like that's why on Friday I was like, oh, let me go live. Actually Thor like encouraged me to go live. Because I was like, yeah, it looks like there could be like a clean structure to go lower on Friday. And actually I was like, oh, I'm not sure. And Thor was like, yeah, I think it is. And I'll just put a clip here so I stop touching. It's like watching paint dry. It's just too slow. Feels like it's London. Follow says stream Molin. Tanya, do you show daily P&L? I don't like to look at it myself, so maybe I'll just tell you guys. Or I'll show it like I'll figure out how to make it like on a Windows screen. But I am down 440. I took like one short that didn't work. I took it too early here. And then we made an SMT with ES, unfortunately. But then actually ES went up higher. Negative 1%. Yeah. Someone's negative 1%. The result of don't respect the trading plan. I know, right? That's exactly why I'm like going live. Can we get 800 likes? Okay, yeah. Someone asked. Maybe. What set am I looking for? I'm not looking at any. Honestly, I don't like anything right now. But like I had this like OB marked out, and I'm looking to see if like this down close candle gets broken. But it's like after 11, so my biggest thing I was looking at to see like how we react to here, this low. And I wanted either like a close below it with a fair value gap, because that would have been like a breaker, and it didn't really happen for a short. Or I wanted like a quick purge of liquidity, like it takes it quickly and then a quick move up. So we didn't get either because it was just like slowly bleeding. Is there like a 5-minute inversion anywhere? No. Oh, maybe this. It's going higher to here. Do. Let's just wait. Yeah. Yeah, I like ninja. Yeah, do you know Tanya is the name of a city in Morocco? Yeah, people have told me that. Pretty cool. But I thought, like, do you pronounce it like Tanya or do you pronounce it like Tanja or Tangier? Okay. Yeah. Nice reaction to there. Mm-hmm. What, like, language is that? Is that Hindi you guys are typing into the chat? This is your, like, dodgy setup, by the way. Right here. Thank you, Dunsworth. Thanks for tuning in. Boom. What a reaction to that. Very cool. We gave a little entry here. And ES to highs now. I'm glad I hope I could have helped some people not been short here. Cleared my PA. Wow, Randy Palmer said, wow, thanks. Clear my PA account. What does that mean? Clear. Thank you, though. If it's a good one. Yeah. Yeah, it aligns with a bunch of things. I'll probably try it. We'll see. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Maybe. Ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. Isn't it crazy how you see, like, high resistance liquidity run all the way down to here and then quickly low resistance? That's cool. Where am I from? I'm from Queens. Someone said they love my nails. Thank you. Bum, ba-dum, 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 bum, 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 bum. Let's see, like, what would be the manipulation leg. Standard deviations. 2.5 lines up quite well with these highs. I'm gonna get in. Let's try that setup. YM's pushing up too. Let's see. I want it to like push up quickly from here, like it has been. Bum, 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 bum. It'd be kind of epic if I get stopped on this one. But you have like this. Also, you have a few PD arrays lining up here. Inverse. This high should be sensitive as well. We'll see. It would be epic though. Someone said hi, they're from Cami Capital. Hi. If this doesn't work, we all go blame Dodgy. I want like a fast reaction right now. It's gonna be funny though. I mean, it's what is it, like a 14 point? Yeah. Yeah. I want to have like, I do think it goes a lot higher though, you know? Let me see the other standard deviations. 15-minute, it's ending in 5 minutes. So yeah, if I get stopped out in the next 5 minutes, like I'm just gonna be done for the day, but if it doesn't, then we'll be fine. Because like, I want the 15 to, you know, be a strong candle. So if the last 5 minutes of this candle is bad, then, you know, the stop is at the open basically, of that 15-minute candle. Okay, let's see if we get bought up here. It's a good area. It's again on Friday's high. Take one off at like the highs. And then, I don't think we're gonna go for that today. Like all the way up there. But, what I wanted to do is just look at a standard deviation. Okay, maybe to here, 925. Yeah, so I don't want this fair value gap to get filled all the way, like then we're just basic. $81.75. Okay. All right, let's see some expansion. You know, my fill is actually 94.5. I didn't think I was gonna stream for this long. I need more water. But I'm in a trade right now. Let me see, like, once we close above this candle, then I bring my stop up to here. We have to close above it though. But it looks good. It looks like energetic. Does anyone what was I gonna say? I'm not like the such a hype person, I guess. Let's see, this 15-minute candle should close strong. How many minutes left? 1 minute. Okay. That, and I can't remember, there's like a thread on Twitter for it. Like on Twitter, search Flatwood Funk Ninja Trader or NT8 and he has like a thread. $948 people. Woo! Let's hopefully we can hit 1,000. What do I do? What do I type like the button, click the like button so then we get to 1,000. Okay, here we are. We're gonna close above this high. And we're gonna hit the highs of the day. Woo! Okay, filled. Bring the stop here. Now I'm very interested to see, you know, this reaction here. If we'd like close above it or not, you know. The next candle is a 15, like this is the start of the next candle. So if we're in expansion mode, we're gonna like keep going. If this is like, you know, the opening. Or we can have like a little bit of a manipulation, you know, at the beginning of it. Or if we're still consolidating on the day, then I'll get stopped out and I'll be done. But let's watch this. That's how I'm like chilling now, you know? I'm not trying to like babysit my, whatever it is. My, I was going for -4. Yeah. 25. 75. And I like to just put like 1 point below. So that's fine. Let's close above the highs of the day. It's gonna 5. I would like the 5 minutes to close above the highs of the day. Yeah, and this is definitely like a decent stop to bring us back up into. Because now if we're still bullish, we should close above the high. And then this will be like a sensitive order block. So my stop would be like here. But really like it should get bought up into here. Let's see. Let's make a 5-minute fair value gap, please. But actually this one, what's the high? 99, low, 99.25. So not really. Dun dun da da dun ba da dun. Let's get to 1,000 people. We're almost there. 973. Hit a like. Hit the like button. We're almost there. Yeah, I'm just holding. DXY is like falling lower. All the indices are now like moving in tandem. And now everyone that was trying to long in the morning kind of quit. So I'm gonna hold. And stop is now here. Yeah, we're closing above the highs, but like not like displacing so much. My stop should be right there. Where's the 15-minute? Okay. Yeah, we're chilling. I'm gonna just get a refill of my water. I'll be back in literally a second. Where are we? Okay, I'm back. Somebody's saying something, be content with enough, something. Yeah, that's my thing. I got out of the highs, now I get to watch everyone be content with enough. Yeah, I have that up here, so I might like take it off soon, but we'll see. So we just formed like a 1-minute order block that bounced on that one, so I might just like move my stop up to break even, you know, because like, do I really want to be part of another consolidation? Not really. And if this, okay, let me just think. I want like 3 PD arrays to fail if I get stopped. So I'm actually just gonna keep it here. Because it'd be like, there's no fair value gap here. It'd be like 1, 2, and then like 3 is this like order block and short-term low. So I'm just chilling. Watch like the 15-minute expand and that's it. Or not. I'm watching the 15 on ES as well. Let me just see something. I think I just pressed the wrong button on my mic. Okay. DXY's pushing lower. Yeah. Like, what's my risk on the remaining here? Like 6 points. You know? Be fine. I want to see it close above the highs. You know, if the 15 doesn't, then I'm like probably just gonna take it off. It's kind of stalling, kind of boring. What's 5 doing? Didn't. We'll see if it like bounces here or not. Easy trade, yeah, the IFEG. Yeah, I'm just gonna hold it. Have I used Top Step X yet? You know what's really funny? I like signed up for it and I hadn't gotten like the email until, when was it? Patrick went on Top Step and then like Michael Patak like jokingly asked him like, is Tanya Trades your girlfriend? And then like, it was kind of funny. It was a little awkward, but it was kind of funny. He was like, I have a real life girlfriend and an internet girlfriend. And apparently I'm the internet girlfriend, right? Which is his funny shtick. It's, you know, we're friends. He can do that. It's funny. But then literally like 10 minutes after that, I get an email saying like, try out Top Step X. So, so funny. So, I do have like, I did get invited to try it out, but I didn't open it yet, so. I need to think. What's the range so far in the day? Okay, that's fine then. Yeah, we can have another push-up. How come like this is not on that, you know? Oh, probably like because it's only on the smaller time frames. Just wondering why my standard deviations are they're all the way here. 20. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna move my stop up to like the low of body of this candle now. So it's like basically break even. Because like if it comes back and it should like bounce basically right into it and not go more than like the middle of it. But really I want it to expand above here because I think the 15-minute has how much left? 5 minutes left? Okay, so I don't really want it to come back yet. What's the open? Oh no, it's the close. 92. Yeah, so basically break even. Are you guys enjoying my thought process? Yeah. We said, Ryan, we said that this is year long. we took the same trade. I had my point of interest here, but it didn't really give me like, I wanted to long it here, so then I just longed it here. Literally, if this 15-minute does not close above, wait, how much time left? Okay. It needs to close above the other 15 too. Okay. Yeah. Like, I really don't think it's looking good for more expansion at this point. We'll see. Gotta see how this candle closes. Give some likes. It's free to like. Did I ever hit 1,000? Now we're at 850. Maybe people are like, yeah, she okay, cool. She got profit now. I'm leaving. All right, got my money. I left. I'm probably gonna take it off soon, and then we'll end the stream there soon. What was the reason for my trade? Higher prices, the lack of displacement below lows, and then that was like our liquidity sweep, and then we had a fast push up, so that was the reasoning. Along with look how the 10 a.m. range was closed above. So a few confluences there. Seems like a good trade. Woo, yeah. 1 minute range. The IFVG here. I was really looking, I was looking here. You know, I could have longed here, but I did not, because I was thinking we would come back like into these down close candles. But did it even tap this one? No, it never came back into this 5 minute fair value gap. It just like ran away. So then it had your 5 minute IFVG setup. Where did I go long into? Like 90, 92, 93.25. DXY is coming back up, which is not like a good sign. I think I might just take it off here, you guys. We'll see. We'll see, we'll see. I did say, like, we'll see how this 15-minute candle closes. We still have another minute. I was thinking like more than that, you know. So I might just like, I don't know, trail stop pretty tightly. We'll think about it. We'll think about it. Or just take the money and run. Because it's a win is a win. A win is a win. Oh, thank you. Someone who updated their FX replay. Yeah, I use FX replay to backtest. It's really good. Approaching the macro. This is exciting. What time? Macro time I usually trade. Put my stop to like break a little bit above break even. That's it. Let's see on the 1 minute. Where did 3 PD arrays fail? Yeah, I'll just put my stop a little bit above break even. Hold for 23.50. Because I'm like the -4 standard deviation is like 1 point above ish. I don't know. Well, you know what some people do though? They're like, when it's close, it's another 10 points though. It's not that close. We're holding above the highs. Okay, I'm thinking maybe put it like below this one. 94 is here. Where's the 15-minute open? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll put my stop here because of the 15-minute open. I really want it to get below the previous 15-minute. I want it to continue. Put it at 900. It's here. I'll put it here. 97. Just like the body, the bottom of the body. Let's drink some water. Oh, what he is. Oh my god, I was not looking at the chat, but I see just dodgy. We need to get to 1,000 viewers before I can leave, though. How do we get to 1,000 concurrent viewers? I should just like make a tweet and say ICT's in my chat, and then everyone will come. Then I'll have like 5,000 people. I'm just joking. But like, that's what some people do. But they're not lying at that point. I wonder if ICT was actually secretly watching at some point. It would be kind of funny. Drink water if you like dodgy. I'm gonna have to rewatch this later. I have no idea what's happening. That's funny. I'm gonna put it to 900 now. Just like the previous 15 candle open. Yeah, okay. Let's just keep going. You know, like what I noticed when we have these like difficult opens, high resistance in the morning, typically like during one sort of expansion, right? Or I did not get stopped out yet. We'll see. See if I get stopped out in profit or not. But I'm fine with it. That would be good if it like, that's like the manipulation of that 15-minute candle back to the high of the day. But we'll see. Again, it's not an easy day to trade, so I'm just pretty happy overall. Yeah, I took partials at the high of the day. You guys are so you guys are such trolls. It's so funny. I don't even know what happened, but the chat is going off. Going off. Wow. Everybody said Dodgy sent me. That's funny. Dodgy's DD was the reason for the trade. Yeah. I mean, we knew the draw on liquidity, so it's fine. Take the inverse. All right, cool. The poll is done. DXY is being kind of stupid, honestly. Yeah, I'm not liking that. How many minutes left in this 15-minute candle? 10 minutes? We're gonna get stopped. Like, I think that should have been just the manipulation to go higher, but now it's like, we'll see if it closes here. Then I'll just probably get out before I get stopped. Or maybe it just moves fast. We'll just wait. This action's so boring. Did I just see Michael? Tanya gets. I don't think he's here. You guys are trolling me. Partials, get out. Yo, yeah, I'll get out here, you guys. I'll listen to the chat. I took my partial. Now and now we're taking the other one at the high of the day, which is where we took the partial, so it's fine. And now it's probably just gonna come back to whatever it wants to do. Hands off. We're done. All right, everybody. I think we're done for the morning. Thanks for coming. And yeah, I'll let you guys know when I'll schedule the live streams on my channel so you'll know when I'm